Hello and welcome to Expree in Diamond and Gemstones. Today, we're going to cover the 3 easiest ways to test raw iolite and Carbonado diamonds at home. If you found a stone and you're unsure whether it's a real diamond or not, these methods are quick and simple to help you figure it out. Let's get started. 1. Hardness test, scratch glass. Diamonds are the hardest material in nature, so you can easily test this by scratching glass. To do it, take your stone and place it on a glass surface, like a window or regular glass. Try to scratch the glass with the stone. If the glass scratches easily, that's a good sign the stone could be a diamond. If there's no mark left, it's likely something else. Light test, sparkle. Diamonds have a special sparkle, so if you place it under light, you should notice rainbow-like reflections. How to do it? Hold the stone under bright light, like direct sunlight or a strong flashlight. Stone reflects light in multiple colors and shines with a bright sparkle. That's a strong indication it's a real diamond. 3. Weight test, heaviness. Diamonds are very dense and heavy for their size, so if the stone feels small but heavy, it could be a diamond. How to do it? Weigh the stone using a precise scale. If it feels heavier than it should for its size, that could indicate it's a diamond. Odd diamonds are usually denser than most other stones. Those were the 3 easiest ways to test raw iolite and Carbonado diamonds at home. If you have any questions or would like to know more, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for new updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.